Hi, I'm Neil with Covers Camo Custom Seat Covers. We just finished the seat covers on the 2018 Ford F150, just finished the install, and they look awesome. So we're gonna go through, review them, check them out, check out the different materials, do some close-ups, and show you what they look like. Okay, again, these are the seat covers on the 2018 Ford F150 XLT. So let's open this up here and check them out. So these covers on here, this is the Kryptek Raid trim. So as you can see, the trim side is a camouflage and the Kryptek Raid pattern, and the middle section is the simulated leather midnight Croc. So that is a real durable, both fabrics are real durable, and but a real durable trim side. So it's a 600 denier trim side, so just, you know, most vehicles you get the wear and tear on that outside trim piece right there, and that's a good material to have on the outside, that 600 denier camouflage there. So again, here's a close-up on that that middle Croc section. Again, midnight Croc, so that's just, it's a jet black Croc. There's, let's see, you'll focus in on that there. So there's another Croc that we do, which is the ebony Croc, and that has some more grays in it. But again, this one is jet black, all black. So you really nice if you just have some black interiors in there. You can see that this hard console, that's just, you know, a black and leather console there, and it matches up really nice with that black insert, that black Croc insert there. So here's the headrests, how they fit on. I'll adjust the light there so we can see kind of the true color. Now this Raid, it has blacks, grays, whites. I get some people that will ask if it has any browns on their monitors. It may look brown with some lighting. No brown in it, really. It's all blacks, grays, and whites. Now it definitely has more white in it than the Typhon does. So if you're comparing the two, Kryptek Raid versus Kryptek Typhon, then the Raid is going to be a lighter color for sure. Now these covers are backed with foam backing, so you can see how the body of the cover looks a lot more like a seat, and that horizontal sewing in it, that is because there's foam, about a ½ inch of foam backing to the covers. Okay, and then this material also is treated, this camouflage material is treated with a PU coating, polyurethane coating. Really that means that it's going to be additional water resistant, and then obviously this simulated leather is water resistant as well, so you could spill things on that and it's not going to be any problem. We're going to go around to the back and check out the back side of the covers. Now on these particular covers, we didn't end up doing any rear pockets. The customer was looking just to have just a clean back side to it right there, no pockets. And then as you can see, full coverage on the back all the way down underneath here, where there's a Velcro piece down here that hooks onto that pushes onto that back side to keep that down nice and tight. Right there on those flaps. Okay, so there's the back side of the headrest as well. Get the light changed up. There we go. Okay, so anyhow, just a nice looking cover. Again, durable materials, gonna last this customer a long time and really protect those seats underneath. So that added foam on the front side, on all the seating sections, that helps protect the seats there. And then also just this material is going to help protect those seats. So again, that's the back side there. Install, a couple little install things is when you're down here installing, you'll end up just pulling that top piece over, and then the bottom section will push through and go underneath that flap and then those straps. There's going to be straps that go front to back to buckles, and you'll get those down. Another little install tip is there's a string on these covers that kind of keeps these corner pieces down. Whoops, let's adjust that focus there. That there's a string that goes underneath these seats, and there's going to be a string that you're going to need to tuck into. You tuck it down into this seat plastic trim right here. The string's going to drop down right here. You pull it out and then tie it to the other string on the other side. You don't have the string on the outside of this plastic trim, just because it doesn't look as good. I see that every now and then. Okay, so and then another piece on the install. This front one is really not too bad. The front side of this backrest has Velcro on it, so you actually just push that down. You just push that Velcro underneath, and it just sticks onto that cloth on this particular set. A lot of our covers will go front to back and kind of attach with the Velcro piece to the felt in the back, but on this one, it just pushes down. Okay, another little section here. This is the side airbag compatibility. Okay, so you can, if those ever need to blow out, the airbags ever need to deploy, then they can deploy through those side pieces of Velcro. As you can see, there's full coverage on here, but you get 1, 2, 3. On this particular set, has 3 pieces of Velcro that keep it there, but then can blow out if they need to. So again, just a great looking set on here. This again was the Kryptek Raid trim, midnight croc, simulated leather insert, water resistant, real durable, looks great inside this 2018 F150. Thanks again for watching. I'm Neil with Covers Camo Custom Seat Covers. You can see more at coversandcamo.com. Let us know what you think, and happy to get a set going for you. You can build up a set there or give us a call at 435-789-2270. Again, see more at coversandcamo.com. Thanks.